Okay guys, welcome back to Real Life Exotic. And today is gonna be part 2. We're gonna put in together the interior, carbon fiber, sway, everything. It's gonna be big work, big project. So we're gonna put it back together, center console. Every piece is carbon fiber. So let's start it. Okay guys, we're gonna take it out those old one and put in OEM factory one. OEM. This one, yeah, right there. Okay guys, sucks, you know, screws is different. Now I have to take it out from my parts card. All screws, so many screws there, crazy. Wow, they even put in the lighter screws, look at this. That one and that one for carbon. It's not big difference. They try to make it lighter probably. Looks sick. I like it. This one also done. Also, I like it. Now I have two more I have to do. I don't have enough screws. Guys, I'm gonna install right now. Finally. I installed the carbon, I find all screws, whatever, I take it up from my parts car. And right now I'm gonna put in the dash. And Oleg, this is Oleg car, so Oleg, check it out how I'm gonna put it on, you know? Everything for your wife, not for you, dude. Guys, like I said, this car is Oleg. His Instagram is 00. You're gonna put it on his Instagram. 1 second. His Insta is Russian, whatever, Russian billionaire, Russian 007. So he got so many cool toys. What a cool dog.
The richest guy I know.
What's up?
The richest guy I know.
Yeah. Cool wife. Everything cool. Whatever. That's his car, and I'm putting together. This is Mansory, whatever it is. So somebody take apart. Не кусит. Oh shit! Okay, let's go. So I'm putting the dashboard right now. Guys, so many screws, so many bolts, and I know everyone where it's supposed to be. I did this so many times. The dash, the 48s. First of all, I just put it in a little bit, and then I'm gonna tighten all of them. And you have to tighten all of them. Make sure if you miss something, it's gonna be screaming when you're gonna drive. You know, like creaking, doesn't matter, you know, but not nice. Guys, I'm gonna tell you something. Like I put in the dash, when I put it back together, they see marks from the bolts, from the old bolts when it's been before. I always see the marks, and I usually when I put it back, I always wanna put it on the same spot the bolts, you know. And it's everything. It's worked, you know, like gaps and stuff, like how perfect came out. I always double check, make sure everything, I didn't miss something, you know. Guys, I grabbed so much bolts from my parts car because a lot of bolts is missing from the dashboard, and I like that when they all of the same, like supposed to be, you know, because I don't like when all different size, all different style, you know, like some studs, some screws, you know. So, and they're putting everything back together like the factory, you know, like, I mean, I'm not trying to tell I'm the best. Maybe. I'm joking. I like to put them together perfectly, you know, because I love those cars. Step by step, and every couple minutes looks better and better and better. This thing is gonna be matte, but I'm gonna put in temporary, but it's gonna be colored and matte carbon. Okay guys, dashboard is already done completely, and I have to, this thing only I'm gonna take it off and make a matte color because it's too shiny. And let me show you inside. Okay, like you can see, it's super clean dash, and I'm working right now on the center console, and they're already putting back roof together. Just need to clean up a little bit, and then I'm gonna install belts and covers and seats and door center console. I mean center door panels center. That's all, guys. Again, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and don't forget about giveaway. This time we're gonna give away like $1,000 and 2 badges, Ferrari badges. So please like and subscribe and share my account, and stay tuned. Thank you.